How's it going, everybody? I'm John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through the 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270 Outboard. Now, starting at the stern, you have a beautiful 300 horsepower V8 Mercury motor that's going to get this boat on plane quick with a great top speed. I'm currently standing on this very spacious transom. Right underneath me is your flip down ladder. The whole family could board. Plenty of room to walk around here and enter the boat or relax on this beautiful sun pad. Now, if you notice, this little hole in the sun pad right here is actually for your ski bar for tubing. You could lay here, watch the kids tubing. It is a great lounging area. Now, more features about this beautiful sun pad. It is very nice to look at. It's super comfortable, the beautiful upholstery, but there are additional features to it. Underneath this side is your battery storage with extremely easy access. Right next to it, you have two cup holders, those two being of 13 total cup holders on this boat. You have a USB charger, 4 of those throughout the boat, and you can actually control the Fusion radio from back here as well. Now, moving closer to the cockpit, you see this beautiful lounging area. The great upholstery, comfortable seating, great L-shaped couch, and a nice table right in the middle. Just picture yourself sitting around here with your family. You threw the anchor in, it's a beautiful day. You're getting some shade under this bimini and just talking amongst yourselves, having a great time out on the water. Now, in this lounging area, you do have speakers dispersed throughout the boat, cup holders lining the sides, more USB chargers on both sides. This captain's chair as well is currently facing the stern. You can move it this way, so you can face out to the bow when you're steering the boat. This chair also moves in the same direction as well. Okay. Now, sitting in the cockpit, you have your two Simrad display screens, your fish finder, chart plotter, music, you name it, anything you need. Right next to me within arm's reach, you have a convenient cup holder. You have your toggle switches right under this first Simrad screen, your anchor, your horn, your bilge pump, whatever you need. To my right, you have your throttle with your active auto trim tabs hooked up to that beautiful Mercury motor behind me. You have your kill switch, you have your push to start, key ignition, and cool feature about the steering wheel is it is an adjustable steering wheel. Now, just like the captain's chair that has a adjustable bolster that comfortably fits 2 people, when you move to this side of the boat, you have the same exact feature. Now, this side of the boat is my favorite little station because you really are your own captain over here. You have a grab rail right in front of you, your own personal cup holder, and you as well have control of this Fusion radio. Now, there are 3 points on this entire boat that you can control the music, one being on the stern, one obviously in the cockpit, and then this little station over here. Now, moving closer to the bow, right to my left, you have an extremely spacious head. Nice little gradual step down there. I stand in there comfortably. For reference, I am 6'1". You have your own sink, you have an overhead light, and plenty of privacy. Now, right across from the head, you have a nice storage cabinet, inside of it being your table storage that is currently set up and displayed on the boat. Easy access to your table storage, easy to set up, very quick. Now, moving forward to the bow, you have another beautiful folding table. Great place for your family to gather, hang out, have some cocktails, have a great time out on the water. You have 2 speakers up front, even more cup holders, beautiful upholstery, almost as much room as you do back there in the cockpit as well. You have your anchor storage right up front. You have a radio, another ladder in there, and you have your 2 front bow cleats on each side. Okay, everybody, that is it for the walkthrough video. I really hope you learned a lot. I did not share every feature about this boat because there are so many bells and whistles on this thing. It is one of my personal favorites. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to call this number below at MarineMax Norwalk. And like always, my friends, have a good day.